Hello guys, today we will explain how to schedule a Zoom meeting. So before starting the process, always make sure your Zoom app is up to date. So after confirming this one, open your Zoom app. After it open, simply tap on this option schedule. So the first thing is enter the name of your meeting purpose. Like I will enter this. After entering the name, the second thing is choose the date. Like today date is 12th August. So I want to start the meeting at August 13. So after selecting the date, the next option is time. On which time you want to start and end your meeting. So the time is automatically selected by Zoom app. You can also change this by tapping on this time icon. From here, set your time, and also here is the end time. The end time is 3:30. It means the meeting duration is half an hour. So after selecting this, here is the time zone. So it's automatically selected because it depends upon your location. So basically I am from Pakistan, so that's why the time zone is this. So the next option is repeat. Repeat means you want to repeat the meeting, means every day or every week or after every 2 weeks. So if you will select one of these, then the meeting will be started on the same time without any scheduling. And if you will select every week, then the meeting will be started at the same day of next week without scheduling. So after selecting one of these, let's move over to our next option. The next option is attendees. So basically this option is for you can invite your friend by their email. But remember one thing, before inviting them with their email, make sure they have the Zoom app on that email. If they don't have, then you can't invite them by this attendees feature, because none of my friends have Zoom on their email, so that's why I can't invite them. You can also schedule your meeting without using this feature. Basically this feature will help them, means the meeting is not started yet, but they can chat with each other if you will invite them with this feature. You can also add up to I think more than 50 people by their email in this attendees. So if you will add them in this, so they can be able to chat before and after the meeting. But if you will not invite them, still they can attend your Zoom meeting. Like I told you, none of my friends have Zoom app, so I'm skipping this one. One more thing is use personal meeting ID. It means if you will enable this one, then the Zoom app will give you a specific meeting ID. I prefer not to turn on this one, because if you turn on this one, then this ID will belong to you. If your friend have this ID and he know about your meeting, so there might be a chance he can join your Zoom meeting without your invitation with the help of this passcode and with the help of this. So let's move to our next process. Require meeting passcode. Always enable this one. It means if your friend have this passcode, then he will be able to join your meeting. If you will turn off this one, then everyone can join your Zoom meeting without any passcode. The next option is enable waiting room. So on this feature, it means maybe you will not be able to start your meeting at the specific time which you entered, then your friend can be wait for you. If you will not enable this one, then they will not be able to wait for you in the meeting room. Next option is host video on and participant video on. When you will turn on this one and also this one, host mean me because I schedule this meeting, and the participant means my friend. So if this feature will be on, then they can also be able to see my face and I can also be able to see their face. So now tap on the option advanced. Allow participant to join before host. Always turn off this feature. It means, like I told you before, maybe you will not be able to start your meeting on that time. Then if this feature will be on, then your participant will be able to join your meeting without you. But if this feature will be off, then they will not be able to join your meeting before you came. So now automatically record video. Turn on this one, you can record your whole video, but I am turning it off because it's an tutorial, that's why. But if you want to turn on and record your Zoom video, then you can do this. And the next option is approve or block entry. Tap on this one. Tap on this one, allow user from selected countries. When you will tap on this one, so here is my country. I can also add country or regions, and from there people can join me, and the other countries or region will not be able to join my meeting. And the second option is block user. The first option is only allow user from selected countries. Mean if I select the country or region, then people from there can join my meeting. And if I select the second option, block user, if I will tap on this edit countries, then those countries will be blocked from my Zoom meeting. So after selecting this, here is the last option, add to calendar. You want to add this meeting to your calendar, then turn it on, but if you don't want, then let it be off. So after selecting all of these, tap on the option done, which is at the right top. So as you see, you have not added any attendees. And you can also read this: participant can chat during the meeting, but they will not be able to see the group chat before and after the meeting. So attendees option is not important as you think. So after this, tap on the option save. Now after scheduling the meeting, my Gmail is open, and also I can add the people through my Gmail by tapping here on their email address. So when I will tap on this send icon, then my invitation will be sent through Gmail. If you want to send the invitation through Gmail, then send this from here. But if you want to invite them through WhatsApp or through Messenger, then go back from here, open your Zoom app. So here is the option invite. Tap on this one, and from here you can invite them through Messenger or through WhatsApp. So it was the basically procedure by scheduling a Zoom meeting. I hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe to our channel